So what I'm going to do is, I want the thick aggregate. I'm going to run it through the milk carton and see if that works. I saw that trick on the intraweb. That was kind of a waste because all just went through the milk cartons. Got too thick gridwork in it. So I'll just go with the big aggregate and hope it works. I figure I'll just use it up. I may not even have enough. But I'm going to put that down first, and then when I'm ready to reseal my driveway, or a couple days before, or a week before, I'll put some asphalt depression filler in there. So okay, like that. Let's go do it. Let's go do it. Goodbye, shed. Here, lilies, and this lamb's ear is just out of control. Got Night Susans, and the one in there, that one with the rigid leaves, still supposed to have steel blue flowering. It had it the first year when I bought it. That was 2 years ago. Last year it didn't flower. Maybe it doesn't flower for a couple years until it gets its grip. But these purplish lilies are coming out. Brown-eyed Susans in there. So this is prepped now. I'm going to put stones just around the edge, just to make it look nicer. Get rid of that thin vegetation I pulled later. Alright, grab the stone again. Switch from the Crocs to the runners out front. Ooh. Crocs off. Townhouse living and you don't have access around the side. Kind of sucks. Rear the kitchen up. Down the hall to the garage. Trying to have everything I need. Mix it with the trowel. Good. So then, oh, spinning. Get some light. So this is, I started seeing videos and ads for power washers. And it's funny because my neighbor, when I was out last weekend working on stuff, came out and said, hey, he's got this huge, crazy, super strong power washer if I want to try it. And I don't want to like rip the paint off siding and things, but he got me thinking, and then all of a sudden in my feed, power washer. I'm sure my phone's listening. So anyways, I watched a guy review one that was like 300 and something bucks, and it's cool and it has all kinds of attachments, and it's, you know, strong enough, he says, for home use and whatever. It cleared off his patio concrete and steps and things like that. So I started looking, and this one was like $250 or something like that, and it was on sale clearance for 99 bucks. It's a Spider, I think. Let's see. Power play, yeah, Spider power play. A lot smaller than I pictured it was going to be when I got it. Pictures don't give it justice, but anyways, it had like 20 reviews from people who said this thing like was beyond their expectations. And again, I'm just going to use it to clean the driveway, maybe the back siding, and maybe someday, maybe try to strip some of the old paint that's on these rotting fences in the back. And then if I can, my patio stones. Things like that. I could do the fan, clean it and stuff. So anyways, it's got the shampoo or the soap attachment, long, super long cord, fairly long hose. It's got the wheels which have locks on each one. and so you can roll it around. So if I'm doing the driveway, that's nice. It's going to roll with me as I pull it, so I don't have to, like, you know, stop, move it, stop, you know, work, move it. And it's got the hose. It's got an extension on there, and yeah. So evidently, it's enough pressure to do all the home needs, and for like $100, it's awesome. At least I think it is. So I'll have to try that sometime soon. I'm excited to try it out. So that's that. The sun is out, it's getting hot. Is it gonna hurt? I don't think it'll take too long. Put the shades and the hat on. Bring this out. Get rid of these keys. Okay, glasses. Knee pads. And cement. Oh, I'm in the shade. Good. Hey folks, Saturday, July 15, 14, 15. I'm gonna be resealing my driveway again. Did it last year, and this time I rolled it on. This time I'm gonna squeegee it on, fill in some more cracks. I got crack filler. There's one. Quikrete crack filler. I got one that's almost done. I want to use that one up first. Gonna have to shape these things up pretty good. So fill in some more cracks in preparation. I got my 2 tubs of roll-on or squeegee on, and I've got a couple of, I don't remember where they are at the moment. Oh yeah, they're in my bin, right to the side here. But a couple of bags of asphalt depression filler. So I'm going to do a couple of areas. I don't know if I'll get to that today. It's going to be boiling hot out there. So anyways, yes, got a lot of stuff in here. Got a toilet in pieces. My last toilet, my third, I've done 2 already. The third one is in my ensuite bathroom. And it is the owners, or the sellers, original owners. Excuse me. They put the toilet in, and then they tiled around it and routed around it, so it's in solid. And I've been putting this on for so many years because I've been waiting for a good toilet. This one's actually cool, elongated, nice. It's got, I think, the buttons on top, and it's got a little disc that you put on the wall that you can touchless flushing. So that's kind of cool. So that's going to go in maybe next week, maybe later in the summer, on my next holidays. So yeah, so lots of stuff in here to clean up at some point. But in any case, let's get out there and check things out. Come from here. Keep this in the shade because it overheats with the sun, and we'll have a look. stuff. This stuff isn't the best. Kind of dried up. Maybe it's past the expiry date. Or I was supposed to add a bit of water. I did add some, but it would come out in clumps. When it was coming out nice, it was great. But otherwise, yeah, it kind of sucks. But I got enough done. So if that dries and it's not too hot tomorrow, I will use some of my asphalt patch. Do that at the end of the corner left, and a few other depressions. Try to fill it in a bit. I don't have too much, but just a few areas. And then the squeegee. I'm going to move to the back where it's cooler. Battery's about to run out anyway, so that's the driveway part of the day.